Hey friends, if you wish to clear cache on Windows 11 and improve performance and speed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, open disk cleanup and then click on OK. Check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK. Click on delete files. Wait for a few seconds till it deletes. Once this is done, once all of these have deleted, okay, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the word temp and hit enter. You will have to give permission to access this folder. Click on any file, press Ctrl plus A to select everything, hit the delete key, click on continue. It will delete almost all the files but leave a few of them because these files are currently in use. Now press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command %temp and hit enter. This will open the temporary folder again, a different one. Select all the files, hit the delete key and let it delete these files as well. The remaining ones can be skipped. Okay, and you'll notice that there aren't many of these. Let me show you. Okay, there's still a lot of space here. Now press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command prefetch and hit enter. And then you can click on continue and repeat the same thing. Okay. Delete all of these files and you're done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.